Hi guys, I have received some email and then the student claims that I cannot create a group even I select more than one student or members and so on. So I want to show you how to use the system in a briefly, very simply. Okay, now as a corresponding member you receive it an email like this. So each of you can open this email and then copy the, or you know the username, your student ID by the way, and then copy the password in the email, then paste it and then log in. So you will receive or you will see this interface. Now I'm repeating, I will create a group for them, and then by the way I am recording. I want to show you how to record, how to create a group as a corresponding member. Again, one people, as we say that corresponding member, will do it, and this is enough. And by the way, if the others they also try, they cannot create group. Only one person can create a group, so we call it corresponding member. When you enter here, you see that there is a potential group members in the second column, and then this is the potential group members. We have some filters here. For now, without any selection, these are the checkbox and no checked one at the initially. You see the people who has enrolled internet-based programming or database system course. When I check, just for example, internet-based programming checkbox, now I can see, for example, 388 students, they just enrolled internet-based programming, and the students who has enrolled internet-based programming. Like this, if I select the database system courses checkbox, now I see the people who has enrolled database system course. When I check both, I can see the people, the students who has enrolled both courses. Okay, you can filter like this. For now, I will not use filter. This is for you to help or to figure out or to find the people who like you. I will check their numbers. By the way, you see that the corresponding member is here. This is not changeable. When I log in, I can see as a student, behalf of a student, behalf of a group. When I log in as a corresponding member, I am the corresponding member and the first member of the group when I add the members. So what about the others? Let us select the second people. Let's select the second people. Okay. Now, sorry, when I search like this, then you see it is just highlighted with green. When I click it, now it is blue in the back and then green. So it should be like blue, the selected one. Okay. I search it, and then when I select it, okay, the first student you can select. Just click, you can select. Then if you want to select multiple students at the same time, you have to push the Control K in the keyboard. Then you can select the people whatever you want, but you cannot add, because the minimum, the group should be 3, maximum can be 4. Okay, just you see that it is not possible to add more than 4. You should also calculate the corresponding member. First, just for example, 3 more from the potential group members. Okay, now we have someone in the list. Okay, what about the third one? Let's select the third one. Okay, now when I search, you'll see that to select the second one, I have to push Ctrl K and then select this. Now when I add, you'll see that the corresponding member, second guy and third guy, I have add here. They have a name to use for the group. What? Where is it? Okay, now this is the name of the group they prefer. Okay, I am helping them, and by recording this I am helping you. Okay, now I write the name. This is the name of my group. These are the members of my group. When I submit, then you see that your group has saved successfully. Nothing else to do. Okay, now for the student who has created the group, let's try log out and log in again. What will she or what will he see? Okay, now I will take the password again. Okay. And then when I log in again, you see that I can see nothing. Why? Because this member has already you see that here has already involved with another group. Okay, corresponding member has involved with another group. So when I log in as the other members in the list, they will see that also or let me explain the second one first. If someone try to add the group members of this group, they will see that some members has already involved with another group. Okay, that's it. Now you see that someone else in the list, the second member or third member, when they log in to the system, they will see that as they log in as a corresponding member, they see that corresponding member is involved with another group. Or you see that when you create your group, it is not possible to change for now in this version. Future versions, we will see what will be change, update, and so on. Okay, so good luck. That's it.